Well, hello my friend, my name is Attila and this is Masterpiece. So it has been exactly 2 months since I bought the wood turning lathe and started to practice a little bit of wood turning. So today is my anniversary and I decided it would be interesting to see how much I developed and how much I still have to develop. So I picked an exhibition winner wood turning piece from one of these fancy websites, and I will try to recreate that piece and see how I measure up against these master craftsmen with 25-30 years of wood turning experience. So let me show you the piece that I picked from the internet, and let's just get to it and see how much I am capable of doing only after 2 months of practice. So I think it will be interesting to see how much my final piece compares to the original art on the website, and I will critically assess why I am not a master's craftsman and why do you need 25 years of experience to achieve such an art and win an exhibition. So stay tuned and just let's get to it. So I have the final shape. Now I have to carve it. Here we go. Finish this one. Needs a little bit of more sanding, but this is pretty good so far. So the original is a little bit larger. It's like 15 centimeters in diameter, and this one is only 10. But unfortunately, I don't have anything that large, so I have to do with this. So it's going great so far. I have made the base and now I am going to make the ring. So I also have the circle ready. I already cut it. So the idea would be I can flex it a little bit and just put the vase into this hole. So there is only one more part to make, that is the drumstick that holds the ring in place, and I am going to make that in a minute. But before I do that, if you like what you see, make sure you subscribe to my channel because there will be more videos. I post videos every week, so just subscribe to my channel if you like it, and share the video if you like it, and put a like on the video if you like it. Thank you! So I have made and sanded all the parts, and there is only one more thing to do, is basically just put the whole thing together. That is not easy, it's like easier said than done, but I will do my best, put it together and show you the final piece. And I'm going to coat it or finish it with clear lacquer this time. So just stay tuned and I show you the final piece. So here we go, this is the final piece finished, and I am pretty happy with this one. This is probably the best piece I have ever done, I mean in my 2 months of experience, but this is definitely the best piece I have ever done, and probably the most difficult one as well. And for my level it's excellent, but let's just take a look why it wouldn't win an exhibition. So the first thing I messed up is the hole. The hole is too large, so I used some sawdust and glue to basically make it disappear. But if you look at this, this is not straight, so I cannot just drill straight through with a 10mm drill bit and everything will be fine, because this one is like, it's curved. So what I done, I drilled a small hole and I started to carve with a Dremel. So the other thing is here. So this side there is a tiny gap, the other side is perfect. There is no gap here, but in this side there is a tiny gap. So the finish, I should have polished the finish, but to be honest, with something so fragile, I don't want to polish it. It's fine for me. If I start to polish it, I may break it, but for winning an exhibition, no way. With a finish like this you can see how the light is shining on it, and it's not perfectly straight, and it's so difficult to set this one perfectly straight because there is no reference point to it. So basically the guy who designed this piece was a genius. It's just, this is just excellent, and that's why you need 30 years of experience to do something like this, because I just wouldn't have even the mindset to come up with something like this. This is just great, just excellent. So here we go, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you want to see crazy projects like this. I will definitely put the link of the website into the description if you want to have a closer look of this piece. But thanks for watching, and see you guys later.